What's up, guys? So, trade recap for BTCUSD. I was short on BTC from I think it was around the 23rd of May high. I didn't expect this trade to be like a position trading type of situation because position traders take trades for like 2 weeks, 1 week, 2 weeks. I was looking to just quickly find the sell position on the 4 hour, but it ended up taking me 2 weeks for this particular trade to hit full TP. So let me show you what I saw, how I was able to come to a conclusion that I could sell this. So 2021, there was a period where I was trying to buy above the highs of BTC and I got stopped out, seriously. So I learned from that situation and I was able to capitalize on it 4 years later. So why did we got to the all-time high? You can see this is the all-time high around 109,000 type sheet. And as soon as price tapped out of this, what I was looking for, I was just looking for anything that's going to give me signs to sell. So on the daily time frame, let me cut this out. So we have this. So the daily time frame, this is where I took a position. So the daily time frame, I saw a tweezer top here. Every broker have different situation, but the broker I used gave the candlestick that presented itself was an engulfing candlestick. So, but this is showing us a tweezer top. So you can see that on the daily we are trending strong buy situation, and we got here we have a tweezer top on the all-time high, showing weakness in buyers and strength with the sellers. So exactly as soon as I noticed that situation, I found areas where I could buy. I bought this on a Saturday, so let me find areas. As soon as exactly what I did, see, look at how price is doing all of this. I'm just looking for a precise area to sell it. So let me zoom in properly. So you see price was continuously buying, then boom, I had something after this. It reached up on the daily. I was just looking for areas to find sell signals on the 4 hour time frame. So as soon as this presented itself, I stopped in for a sell. I was looking for a 1 to 3 risk to reward, but ended up taking this trade at a 1 to 2. So price just starts me in. My stop loss was above this high because once price gets above this high, I accept that my predictions was wrong or my analysis was wrong. So as soon as I got in, it's crazy how this trade took me 2 weeks before it hits full TP, and the amount of spread and swaps that I was charged on this particular trade was humongous. I didn't even believe it. So, but back to the analysis. So you can see price created a low situation here, like a lower high. So this high, this is higher than this, so this is lower than this. So basically, I just kept waiting and to see what price would do, and look at how price just took its time. You can see I took this trade on a Saturday, and this is already on a Tuesday next week. And see price just kept doing its thing, and boom, we had a big sell position. We had a big momentum for the sellers, and here we are. We're able to close a 1 to 2 on this trade. With serious swaps, I didn't really make much because the swap fee was very, very high. So I had to learn how to position myself when I'm taking a trade that takes this amount of time. Aside that, the analysis was pretty simple. Same situation, I was on a high. We're on the all-time high at the resistance level. I'm looking for signals to sell short from the all-time high, setting my stop loss above the high that was created. So as soon as my price was to do all of this and take this high out, I've accepted in a wrong position. That means there's more buying pressure as opposed to selling pressure. So with this situation, it shows me that there was selling pressure right on this particular area. Some people were not confident, like buyers are not confident to continue buying above here. So we needed a bit of a retracement. So I was able to capitalize on that retracement and I sold to this particular support level right here. So as soon as price starts in here, I took a 1 to 2, and that was it for this particular trade. So this is quite easy setup, but it's not so easy. You see what I said? I had this experience in 2021 where I lost money in this particular price action type situation. So this is 4 years later, I'm able to learn from it and capitalize on it. So you can see that the markets, you have to pay tuition to learn anything in this market. So those tuition I paid in 2021 is paid off now. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe if you want to learn from what I do. My strategy is quite simple, so you can learn from it and take as much knowledge as you can get from my videos. I'll see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe, share with your friends, tell your friend, tell a friend to tell a friend, subscribe to the channel. Let's build a community. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye for now.